Hello, it's your boy Zach, looking like Cable Guy over here. Today we're gonna hit the river. I might go for a swim. That's why we got a fancy guy on here. See if we catch any fish today. Maybe see a snake. You never know. It's up in the air today, but I figured I'd have you guys tag along with me. And let's get this show on the road. And while we're at it, might as well go ahead and go over the outfit of the day, I guess. So I got my SPF 50 plus shirt on right here, aka my pressure washing shirt. Got my old G-Shock, so I keep up with the time stuff. If you can see, quick dry Columbia shorts and my On Cloud running shoes, aka river shoes now, because your boy lost his Birkenstocks last time and those suckers decided to go floating down to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And today, we ain't letting it happen, okay? So yeah, let's get into it, okay? Driving down the road. So the cool thing is, kind of blessed, but where I live in the subdivision here, on about a 2-minute drive, my fishing spot. So here we go up this little hill. Good. And a little Jeep that could. And yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. He was saying help me, Tom Cruise. We're making it now. Now we're cooking with some peanut oil. Get around this curve here. Making our way downtown. Driving fast, obeying the law now. That's it. All right. I'll get back with you guys as soon as I get down to the fishing spot. Alrighty, we're just pulling in right now. Got a little tourist here, okay? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Maybe they're fishing too. Oh, they got little butterflies. Look at that little thing right there. Dang. It's like that song, Butterfly. Alright, now let's go down to the river. Down by the river. Hopefully catch us a big old fish. Cause that's delish right there, okay? All right, then we're gonna move on down the river. Hope you guys got to see that little tie-in action I had going on there. But yeah, let's get to it. Hey, I see a scandal right there. All right, we're gonna keep on moving. Hopefully Frank the snake don't get us. Sorry about that. You're gonna be dangling for a little bit. All right, there we go. Got this on like Donkey Kong. Zip everything up real quick. Alrighty, keep on going. Oh, look at that little minnow. Alright, we're gonna try to get down in there, swimwear. I just don't want to get too far down because I got my phone in my backpack. We ain't doing no more of those okay? No more. Huh. Wonder if someone lost a jig in the tree there. That would probably be your boy. Hey, look at that little guy. All right. Nice. Try that again. Excuse me. I think I caught me a rockfish. I think that's what happened there. Oh yeah, that's a big old fish right there. We can't be having all that stuff again. Come on with it. Come on now. Look at that. You just gotta give it a little wiggle. All right, I'm gonna move on down the line, looking for some fish to find. Woo! All right, we're gonna move on down just a little bit. Shoot, buddy. I'm gonna move out of this tree line, catch me a big one, hopefully. Yesterday I was here for about 5 minutes and I caught a bass back there when I started the video at. Let's try that again. I tell you what though, there's days where I'll hit some and catch some bass. I love catching bass, my favorite thing. Haven't caught a trout yet. That's on the bucket list this year. Or the goal, I should say. It is on the bucket list too, but there's days where I'll catch them and there's days I won't. So you just never know. That's why I named the channel Adventures with Zach, because you never know what's gonna happen. I might be fishing one day. I might be doing a little something else. You just never know. That thing's so pretty. That jig looking good, man. Looking good. Whoops, baby. Oof now. And just be careful if you guys do decide to fish on the rivers around here. Walk close to the sides if you can, because there's going to be spots too where there's going to be a straight just drop down, a drop off. Excuse my language. Excuse me. Sorry. Jeez. It's a drop off, not a drop down. So you just be careful about that. There's a swimming hole back that way, about a mile to 2 miles up, and fishing back there was pretty interesting. If you guys like this kind of content, just drop it down in the comments below what you'd like to see, or more of this, or whatever it is. Just let me know. We'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments. I think down there where it's calmer. Oh, dang it. I'd have me a nibble. Anyways, maybe down there where it's calmer, we'll get a fish. I'm gonna try this again right there. That was a good spot. All right. All right, never mind. Might have been just a rockfish. Ba-dum. That's wild. Look at that. The root system growing in the water. Huh. Cool. Definitely a thirsty tree right there, if you ask me. That's a big one. Holy macaroni. Hopefully I didn't give you guys a little seasickness there, motion sickness. Oh, time to get down with the fiddle. Get down, go, something, something, something. Stick it in your nose. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little ripple effect right there. That's pretty sweet. You asking me? Look at that spotter. That's a big son of a gun. That is huge. That's probably a black widow or whatever they call it. Not a black widow, you weirdo. Wolf spotter. That's probably what that thing is. We're gonna go away from him because yeah, I ain't trying to go to the doctor today. See you, bud. Have a good day. Oh, let's get out to your apartment here. Hey, are you I'm calling in regards of your extended car warranty? Your car's extended warranty? Sorry about that. You need to pay up. Sweet. All right, now we're gonna cast the line. Looking for some fish fine. All right, let's try this over here. I don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully it's not what Miranda Lambert says, something bad about to happen. We ain't wishing upon that stuff, okay? Rip what you sow, you know. Oh, dang it, look at that. Oh, that's a motorcycle. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, we ain't casting through here. Look at all these ripples and stuff. Wrinkles, ripples, whatever. I'm looking for snakes. Did someone poop over here or something? There's flies everywhere. They're freaking gross if they did. If you ask me. Mighty fine, mighty fine, mighty fine. About to tie my shoes, gotta make sure them suckers are tied tight. Hoping I don't get into a fight. If you know what reference that's from, leave it in the comments. And down below, probably should say that, not just leave it in the comments. Didn't mean to scare you guys if I did. I wish I could show you what I'm doing here, but I forgot my tripod like a goober. You did not, son. I think someone's taking a picture of my butt right now. That's gonna cost you money. Anyways, like a glove. Got those suckers tight right there. Now let's get down to the river. We're gonna go to my little honey hole, maybe. Just maybe. Depending on where these folks are. But yeah, let's get to it. I keep saying it. All right, we're testing it out. I think it's working. All right, how many fingers am I holding up? Make sure you're still alive. All right, now we got that over with. Let's get down here. Let's catch us some fish. That's the goal. So, enough talking, more action, baby. Or boys and girls. I shouldn't say baby, that's just a little weird.